Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're back in the woods again. This time we're heading out to a hill called Minimum Maintenance. I'm not sure what the problem is, but they said it's big and it needs a wrecker.
The hill, Minimum Maintenance, is on the muddy, wet red trail. And even though we used one of our shortcut access trails, that still put us against traffic. So we had to wait a little while for a large group to pass.
Huh? When he's gone?
When we finally got to the hill called Minimum Maintenance, we found a Chevy square body that had been swallowed up by one of the mud holes in the hill. The square body was no longer able to run due to a small electrical fire under the hood. The entrance to the mud hole was also lined with a large pile of logs. After a quick look at the situation, we decided that a winch out backwards would be the best way to recover this vehicle. So we maneuvered the wrecker into a position that, with the boom raised, should give us about a 45-degree angle on the winch line. The 45-degree angle on the winch line should help lift the back end of the square body up and over that pile of logs. Worried about the kids standing on the hill spectating while we're winching, don't be. Remember, I'm running the synthetic winch cable now, which doesn't have the violent recoil like steel cable does. Well, the truck is up and out of the big mud hole now, but we still got a couple more log piles to get over. We decided to just pull the wrecker forward and continue the winching process. over most of the logs now, but we still want to get around to the front of the truck with the wrecker so we can pick it up and haul it back to camp. A quick pull with a short strap out onto the main trail will allow us to do that. It was about that time that the rest of my crew was able to catch up to me. They got stuck in traffic a little longer than I did.
All right, buddy. Watch out. Awesome. Yep, we got it. You coming?
Right there.
Good.
Yeah.
Like
Right
this?
outside the spring, yep.
Yeah. We'll help down there. We can help down higher. All right, you want to get the driver's seat?
On the hook now, ready to head back to camp. But we still got a lot of muddy, wet red trail between us and camp. There we go. Camp is in sight. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos. Make sure you turn on that notification bell and enable notifications on your electronic device. Check out our BSF Recovery Team gear store. There's a link to it in the header on our channel page. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.